specializing in the production of various types of custom-made large forged cylinders, from raw material, forging, heat treatment, to finished processing. One-stop production saves time and procurement costs. Complete specifications, support, non-standard drawing customization, suitable for high temperature, high pressure and harsh working condition. Used in automation machinery, medical equipment, industrial machinery, automotive, electrical appliances, as well as in construction, chemicals, pharmaceuticals and biopharmaceuticals, petrochemicals and refining, environmental protection, food processing, aviation, fertilizers, wastewater treatment, desalination and waste incineration. Please feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Stable quality, on-time delivery and professional after-sales service. Welcome global buyers to inquire and place orders.